is going to be another great video. BTOF. BTOF, Business, Terminology, and Fashion. Terminology in fashion is very essential, but it's also very crucial to understand the business side of fashion. So, in this video, we're going to talk about the production of fashion. Today's topic, production of fashion. And I will give you 5 simple terms to learn, and yeah, let's get down to business. Term number 1, MOQ, minimum of quantity, MOQ. Number 2, CMT, CMT, cut, make, trim, CMT, cut, make, trim. 3, silkscreening. Silkscreening, very common when you want to print on graphic t-shirts and create graphic design t-shirts. Silkscreening. So this t-shirt is a one-color silkscreen press. Silkscreening. Number 4, sublimation. Very popular. You create your own design and then you want to print it onto fabric. Sublimation. This is high technology. Sublimation. Number 5, FOB. Freight on board. This is a shipment term. Freight on board. Very, very important.